to have our children's Littles class is going to provide a little bit of music for a prelude before we start the service. And so I'm going to ask the kids, how many of you are 2 years old? Raise your hand if you're 2. Anybody? We'll see if they're telling the truth here, guys, because they told me they raise their hand every time. How many are 3? Anybody that's 4? Yeah, I thought that was kind of cute. Anyway, the Littles today, they have been working in their class on learning some songs, and they were doing so well, we thought, well, we just want to share them with you. So our very first song is called Deep and Wide, and it talks about how Jesus' love just flows out to all of us like a fountain. Deep and wide. It's their theme song of their Littles class. And I said, when Pastor Charles was here, he would always say, God is good